Hi, this is Justin with More Business Today, and I thought I'd take a second to show you some before and after shots of a website rebuild I did for Susan Lehman, a Portland, Oregon professional organizer. As you can see, the old site was kind of dated. I think it was from early 2000s, maybe as recent as 2005, but no newer than that. And you can see that it has kind of a dated look with poor use of white space. Some of the white space issues are actually related to browser compatibility. So this is in Chrome, which didn't exist probably when this site was built. Of course, I'm not objective in this, but I believe that the new site has provided her with a nice professional, modern look. And one of the key elements that we wanted to do here was to have a site that looked clean and crisp, but not stark. And that was the balance that we were striking here, because she's a personal organizer, so she wanted we need things to look neat and organized, but we didn't want to have them look sparse or stark. If we put the two sites side by side, you can kind of get a better feel for what makes the new site more professional. One of the things that is most obvious and one of the most telling things that you can see in a website that makes it look old is the size, because old sites were optimized for a narrower screen size. Because of technology, then that's a screen size that we don't use as much anymore, and so we can optimize the sites for wider screens. And another thing that you're going to look at on here is that because of the navigation and everything, the way that I have it set up, it makes it so that we can add a lot more content to this new site without it looking cluttered. If we tried to add the same number of pages to the old site, there's only spots for so many pieces of navigation in there. Now when you compare the site on a mobile device, then you see an even more dramatic change, because the old site, like many websites of this era, is basically just a shrunk down version of the original site, which means that in order to access anything on that site, you have to double tap and zoom in and scroll around. Whereas the new website has more of an app kind of feel to it. It's not an app because you can just access it directly. You don't have to download it to your phone. And so therefore it's not an app. However, it does have nice easy navigation built for mobile, as the tap to call button, which is just as it sounds. You can tap that button and it'll dial the phone number for you, and an app style homepage with big buttons that allow people to access the different pieces of content really easily. And this makes it so that someone on a mobile device can very easily find the information that they're looking for and dig into the site more deeply. And now let's hear what Suzanne had to say about the experience.
Here's a testimonial sent to us by Suzanne Lehman, a professional organizer in Portland, Oregon. Justin led me through the process of creating a new website for my organizing business with incredible skill and patience. He made clear all my options and shared valuable suggestions about what to focus on in terms of content and graphics. Reliability is super important in this process. He was quick to respond to my many emails, and he met every single deadline we set. In addition, the aesthetic quality of the new website truly exceeded my expectations. He designed a beautiful site with great functionality and an amazing price. Justin is a real pro. I would hire him again in a heartbeat. We truly appreciate your business. Thanks, Suzanne.
Thank you for watching my video, and please don't hesitate to contact me with any questions. Thank you very much.